good kiss. Hi friends! Today we are going to have so much fun drawing together. In this video, we are going to draw something special. Come on, let's start.
In this video, I show you how to draw and color Peppa Pig and her teddy bear. First, I draw Peppa Pig, starting with her nose and face like this. I draw Peppa's ears and Teddy's ears. Then I draw a bow on Teddy's neck. I continue to draw his hands like this. Next, I draw their eyes and mouths.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a
magic finger.
E-I-O, with a here and a there, here, everywhere.
Then I draw their bodies. Peppa Pig is holding a teddy bear.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O, with a here and a there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
On Peppa's bed, I draw teddy bear friends, including a frog, cat, monkey, bear, and owl.
Had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O, with a here and a there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had some sheep, E-I-E-I-O, with a here and a there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Now I'm going to use this black marker to make the drawing more visible. Let's start coloring.
Look at the pictures and tell me what colors we should use here.
MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O.
First, I use red to paint Teddy's bow. Red like an apple, red like a rose, red like a fire truck, wherever it goes. Then I use dark blue to paint his shirt. Blue like the ocean, blue like the sky, blue like a blueberry. Just give it a try.
Pig, E-I-E-I-O, with a here and a there,
Oh, this is green. Let's color.
farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O.
Did you know that blue mixed with yellow produces green? Green like the grass, green like the trees, green like a frog, jumping with glee. Then I use brown to paint.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O, with a here and a there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had some sheep, E-I-E-I-O, with a here and a there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm.
I color the frog green.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
For the monkey, I use light brown to paint.
E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow. E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here a, there a, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a
Dark yellow.
E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O.
Gray.
With a here and a there, here a, there a,
And I use orange to paint the cat like this.
E-I-E.
Orange like a pumpkin, orange like a treat, orange like carrots. So good to eat.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he
Then I use pink to paint Peppa's dress.
with a here and a
Pink like a piglet, pink like a bow, pink like cotton candy at the fun show.
E-I-O.
I color the bed purple, purple like a grape, purple like a plum, purple like the flowers that make us hum.
And on his farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O. With a
Then I use yellow to paint the blanket. Yellow like sunshine, yellow like a bee, yellow like a lemon, bright as can be.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here a, there a, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm,
I have cream, light pink, and purple. What is the color to paint Peppa's skin? Yes, it's light pink. Let's color.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here a, there a, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And
Great job! If you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.
everywhere.
Goodbye!
Old MacDonald had a